Yeah.
We get talking.
Wow, that's a blatantly red light there.
That she was pregnant while I was pregnant.
Yeah, you don't need to make such a wide right turn like that.
510.
And you don't need to cut the freaking corner. Yeah, that's not going to make the light change any faster. And now you're completely in the intersection.
For Lent, I'm not religious, I'm just fat, sad face.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well, at least you only give them up for what, 40 days?
Yeah.
Do you guys Lent? No.
No.
Lenters? Nope. Lentites?
I did when I was a kid, because we did it at school.
What'd you give up as a kid?
Oh, just dumb stuff.
Like candy? Dunkaroos?
Yeah, like you're a kid, so...
Gushers?
It was usually just something you kind of said you were going to do, and then you never really did anyways.
Did you have to, like, was it...
I don't know how you don't get the hint.
In Catholic school, did they tell you what to do, or did you get to pick your own?
No, you... I found out had a cheesecake fetish.
Okay.
So all I had to do was bring her different but very expensive cheesecakes. She changed the date on her stamp to the 2 days that I needed. It worked out perfect for me.
Okay, you had how long to get into this lane?
On a regular basis, even though it's quite old. I have a pair of
Turn right, then turn right.
Am I saying that right? I'm not fancy
Nice
enough to afford
signal.
those. I bought those in 1996.
Maybe keep it pointing to the right, actually. What do you think you're doing? Oh my god, you're an idiot.
Turn right.
Uses one of those tingling lotions.
Oh, 100%.
Call Rachel 489-4669. Join the conversation. Now radio.
I don't even know if that was legal.
You have my heart.
So she made a Facebook page for me and put all of our wedding photos on it. I
Yikes.
personally have never been on Facebook. We're talking about... This text says, can I get a shout out for my hubby Vince, who just...
Have you even thought of that? Just planting a seed.
Ashton Mars, starting every morning at 5:30.
Now radio.
Shopping for pre-owned vehicle. Bring up a lot of questions. What's wrong with this vehicle? How reliable is that?
Yeah, that's not a cool charge.
Find pre-owned vehicle from Lakewood Chef. Their pre-owned classics undergo 100% come with 24-hour roadside assistance, a manufacturer's warranty, and exchange privileges. So the only question you really need to ask is, which one do I want? Because Lakewood Chef has plenty to choose from. Lakewood Chef and you. Classic.
Morrison Homes is synonymous with exceptional buying and building experience. That's because only Morrison Homes gives you more of what you want.
For the things you like, look for us. We're probably there too, with the best selection at great prices. Liquor Depot, where there's always good stuff on sale. Must be of legal drinking age. Please drink responsibly.
At Subway, we're all about making it what you want, even when we're advertising our new $4 Mighty Melts.
My piggy bank.
That's a bus stop.
It started out okay. In a world where no one waved, one man did. I'd become Batman at the end.
This little wave, good.
Yeah.
Not wavy, bad.
Yeah, me.
Yeah,
Dave,
nice
me,
planning
and maybe
ahead.
He's a caveman in the movie. You know, maybe every.
In 900 meters, turn right on 117th Street Northwest.
Okay, that's an interesting decision you're making there. You people still have a stop sign back there. You people still have a stop sign back there. Oh, really? You are not allowed to be parked there. Some lady on her phone, of course. Really? That is a free-throw lane, my friend.
The bathroom, so I got up and I'm like, yep, I'm out of here. Bye. I flashed, and I thought it was like the funniest thing. It's basically if I left my clothes on this
Oh,
time.
wow.
No kidding. You slide in naked, you're like, wow, your hands are so moisturized.
You have the softest, most.
I'm going through quite a tumultuous time concerning our son, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
We get talking.
Wow, that's a
and
blatantly red
I
light
find out
there.
that she was pregnant while I was pregnant with my son.
Oh.
Oh,
And then they walked into a job interview, and the interviewer was the person they flipped off.
no way.
That's why you can't be flying those birds everywhere.
I might have to cut you off before the next two stories. We have a couple of texts to get to. Are you going to flip me off over the phone right now for doing that?
You know what? You play my